Area of the trapezoid below. The trapezoid is not drawn to scale, meaning these dimensions are not scaled up like it would be if those were really meters. So we have two triangles. Remember, the formula for the area of the triangle is half the base times the height. So this one is half. The base is actually on the top this time. They flipped that triangle upside down. So it's 22. And the height is 18. Then there's the second triangle in here, which is this triangle right here. So we have half. This one has a base of 3, and it is also 18 tall. It's the same distance there. We need to find the area of both of these, and that will help us find the area of the trapezoid. So half of 22 is 11, and I can do 11 times 18. Which is 198. Then for the second one, I have half of 3 times 18. I can do half of 18, which is 9, and 3 times 9 is 27. So to find the area of the trapezoid, I need to add those two values together. Which is 225. We measured it in meters, so meters squared is the total area of the trapezoid. This one can be done the same way if you want to just put a line in there to draw the triangle, or we can do it by finding the area of the rectangle and subtracting the pieces we don't want. So I'm going to show you this way just so that you have two different versions of how to find the area. The area of the rectangle is 12 by 18. Then the area of the triangles well, if this piece is 18 and this piece is 3, that means I have 15 left over. So that I could have a triangle that has a base of 15 if I just moved this one over. So 15 and a height of 12. So over here we've got 12 times 18. 8 times 2 is 16. 8 times 1 is 8, plus 1 more is 9. Then we need 1 times 2 and 1 times 1. Okay, the area of the triangle. Half of 12 is 6, and we need 15 times 6. 6 times 5 is 30. 6 times 1 is 6, plus 3 more is 90. So the area of the rectangle was 216, and I'm going to remove the part that we don't want, which was 90, which is 126 meters squared. And if you tried it the other way, where you split it into two triangles, you should arrive at the same answer.